Hello guys, welcome to my channel MD Astrophotography. So tonight I'm capturing the crescent moon. This is the view from my iPhone, and here I have my telescope, which is Celestron Power Seeker 50 AZ, and I'm capturing the moon with it. The view is kind of good. I wasn't expecting this much, but I'm getting decent view from this telescope. I'm able to see all the details with it. So I'll show you what I'm seeing here. It was kind of hard to find the moon, and the guides with the guide scope I located it, but still it wasn't getting in the focus. So I had to manually find the moon just with this lens that I'm using, the eyepiece that I'm using. So I had to do it manually, and the focuser was also a bit hard to use because this is a manual telescope. So it took me around 15 to 20 minutes to find the moon, to actually get it into the focus. So let's show you what I'm seeing. So this is the view that so you can see the craters. So with the I don't have the mobile holder with me. I just ordered it from Amazon, so that's why I'm not getting the stable video out here. But my smartphone is able to capture some good details.